Hello. Welcome to me decorating my house and or pool or hot tub. So right here will be a bunk bed. Yes, a bunk bed. I know how to make one. Don't judge me of how I make it. Crap. My goodness. I need to fix that. I'm so sorry, guys. I was clumsy today. Bed right here. Bed under. There we go. Bunk bed. And I can put some carpet all around it. And that's the kitchen. And that's another part. That is mostly all of it, except for some animals. And I want animals. Oh crap. Guys, I'm so sorry again. My goodness, I'm so clumsy today. You know, guys, that people can be clumsy, very clumsy sometimes. This is my driveway. Let's put a gate as the door, so no villagers can be sneaking in. No villagers can be sneaking in my house. Any suspicious villagers sneaking in my house. Oh, I just realized. Oh my goodness, I'm so dumb. I have to put stuff right here so people don't get in. Let's do this. Because it looks pretty. What do you guys think? I personally think this would look will look beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful. Look at it. I love it. I have to avoid the water. Okay. Let's get the animal spawn eggs. I kind of want a parrot. But, I kind of want to try out the creeper girl. The creeper girl. I want to try her out. I'm going to try out all the mobs outside of here. Well, after I finish this video, I'm going to review the cute mobs, so stay tuned for that. Okay, let's get some seeds out. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. No, 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 don't. No, no. Oh, right there is fine. Crap. know a perfect way for my bird to have a birdhouse. No, it doesn't involve the hack that a Minecrafter did on TikTok. No. It's my hack. And I personally think it's a good hack. And you guys can try it yourself, because I actually love it. I love it. Okay, we just follow my steps of what I do. So I just make a long pole. That's pretty much the size of my house. Then I put this, do like this. This thing is personally for four birds, but you can make as many birds as you want. You can put as many birds, well, not too many birds, not like 1,000 birds, because you can't really fit that much in this 4 plus a 1 and up house. Besides, like, you can't really fit that much birds inside a birdhouse, in this kind of birdhouse, because one, they wouldn't fit, and two, it would just lag a lot. So yeah, this is what I'm going for. Now you just make your parrot stand up and make it come in here. Easy. It might take a while. Good parrots, Minecraft parrots are slow. First, to bring it to a high enough level that you can get. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn off the. I'm gonna have to get out and turn off the baby thing, because the parrot cannot get on my shoulder. Dang it! Oh my god, I did it so wrong. Ugh. Well, next time I go on the server, I will show you guys my parrot in the thing. So, bye.